Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Inner and Outer. In today's video, I'm going to share about favorite DIY mask, which is multitask mask for everyone, which I have been using lately and loving that. And in that mask is only with the 3 natural ingredients. So are you concerned about acne, premature aging, sunburn, discoloration, or even dark circles? Absolutely, then this video is for you.
First ingredient is yogurt, which contains lactic acid, which helps in diminishing an appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by lightening and shrinking pores. The probiotics and lactic acid in the yogurt really helps in lightening the dark circles also. It has exfoliating properties and that transfer your skin from being dull and dry to lighter and softer. So basically, yogurt is even out your skin tone. For acne people, yogurt has a natural antibacterial, antifungal properties that can help prevent breakout and ensure a glowing and healthy skin. We are using yogurt face mask once a day for 5 days in a row. The probiotics in the yogurt can destroy the acne bacteria, and zinc present in the yogurt reduce skin inflammation and also reduce amount of oil produced by sebaceous gland. My second ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric is more powerful and natural antioxidant with great inflammatory properties which minimize dark circles. It also reduces scarring and acne breakout. You can buy this in the regular grocery store where you can get like packet from 50 gram or more. If you are not using daily basis, I recommend to use the smaller packet. My third ingredient is rice flour or rice powder. Rice flour is an excellent source of vitamin B which helps in the production of the new skin cells. It has skin brightening and detailing properties. The rice powder can use on various skin concerns like whitening, get rid of acne, blemishes, and even dark circles. If you are not using rice powder in your regular kitchen, so how to make it? So what I do, like if I don't use it at regular kitchen, I take 1 cup of regular rice, not brown, just the regular plain white rice. And then I blend with like either coffee grinder or mixie jar. And then you can strain with your strainer, so you don't want to get any big lumps with your powder, and later you get like soft powder, and you can store this 3 to 6 months. So I'm taking 1 tablespoon of yogurt here, and then 1/8 of turmeric powder, or maybe you can take like 2 to 3 pinch, that's okay. I'm mixing that, and then same like 2 to 3 pinch or 1/8 of tablespoon of rice powder, and I'm going to mix both together. So the consistency wise, if your yogurt is like more thinner, you can see like it's like more dripping off. So in that case, if you apply on your face, it's not going to stay on your face for a longer time. It's going to drip out on your clothes. So in that case, if you think like, oh, like my consistency is like going like more liquidy, in that case, you can always add a little bit more rice powder in it, so you can get like that consistency where it's not falling down or dripping. Okay, the tip number 1. So with this tea, like with this mask, usually people don't find time as per the busy schedule. So when I apply the mask, so I do when I'm like doing my cleaning the kitchen or winding up with my all the kitchen stuff in the night time. So I get like this mask, you can apply for like 15 to 20 minutes. You can use a daily basis like every day, or you can use like 2 to 3 times a week. The other thing, you can apply this mask in the only evening or night time.
just because after the mask your skin gets sensitive and you don't want to go in the sun and get tan or like the get sunburn or something. So we mix the mask. So I'm going to apply that. Even like when you apply, you can use on your neck and everywhere. So I have applied this mask. So I'm going to wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then we are going to remove that mask. After 15-20 minutes you wash your face, but just one precaution you have to take who has the lighter skin. So the turmeric has a tendency to stain your skin a little bit yellowish. So if you get like a yellow stain on your skin, just take a cotton ball, put it in the milk and then just wipe out. It will come off easily. And the last thing, after as I do this one in the night time, so after removing this one, do not forget to apply toner and moisturizer and then you can go to bed. Thank you so much. See you soon.